right? Three boys, all three of them given a ticket to watch a baseball match. You may assume it to be a cricket match. All three of them given a ticket to watch a cricket match, right? पेरेंट सेड कि बेटा जाओ, है ना, इन्होंने तीनों ने या फिर स्कूल ने इन तीनों ये तीनों अपनी क्लास में फर्स्ट आए हैं, है ना, इन तीनों को स्कूल ने बोला लो टिकट और जाओ मैच देखने. हाँ, ये पहुंच गए बेचारे. अब देखिए, दिस बॉय इज इन 10th ग्रेड, ही इज इन 5th ग्रेड, एंड ये छोटू जो है बेचारा ये पहली क्लास में है. हाँ? अब आपने बोला कि जी मैच देख लो, तीनों पहुंच गए मैच देखने, पर तीनों मैच तो देख पा रहे हैं पर एक कैसे देखे? है ना? वाई? बिकॉज सी, आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से तो इक्वालिटी हुई ना. स्कूल बोल रहा है हमें क्या पता, हमने तो तीनों को टिकट दी थी, अब तुम नहीं देख पा रहे तो तुम्हारी गलती, हमें क्या पता, है ना. दिस इज व्हाट इज इक्वालिटी, ब्लाइंड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ इक्वालिटी विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट देयर आर सम पीपल दोस हु आर मोर डिसएडवांटेज एज कंपेयर्ड टू दी others. This boy is at a disadvantage. What the hell will he see? Right? ये है equality. Equal protect. So this is equality before the law. This fails in certain circumstances because you are trying to bring in equality before those who are unequal, among those who are unequal. Whereas there is another concept which is that of equity or equal protection of the laws. This is the concept of equity or equal protection of the laws, where you have taken something from someone who already has more of it and you have given it to someone who lacks it, so that all three can be at the same level. So now all three children can enjoy. But see, you have to remember one thing. For how long can you keep supporting this boy? Ultimately you have to make him independent as well, so that he should not be dependent on some external help, so that he can watch matches in future. But there are barriers. These barriers in the Indian society are of caste, are of religion, are of community, are of language, are of sex. These barriers need to be broken. The day you break the barriers, you would achieve justice. This is what is justice. If you truly want to achieve justice in the society, we should first remove the barriers in the society. Till the time we can dismantle the caste barriers, till the time we can dismantle the religion barriers, till the time we can dismantle the sex-based barriers in the society, we would continue and we would have to continue to provide positive discrimination in favor of those who are weak and marginalized. The day the Dalits in this country would be stopped, it would stop, that people would stop beating them for fetching water from the river, or would stop beating them for fetching water from the well, that day you can say that reservations should go. But till the time you do not address that social barrier that exists in the society, unfortunately the reservations would continue to go on in this country. Why? Because there are certain barriers. देखिए, इस बच्चे के लिए बैरियर है, इसके लिए बैरियर कोई नहीं है. Do remember this thing. Caste, religion, sex, community, all of these are barriers which are invisible to those who are in an advantageous and a privileged position. जो फेस करता है उसको पता होता है कि मेरे सामने बैरियर है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विमेन हैव टू फेस अ सर्टेन बैरियर इन द इंडियन सोसाइटी, नॉट द मेन. Men cannot see that barrier. Men don't realize that there is a barrier in the society. वो बोलते हैं ये कौन सी प्रॉब्लम है, ये क्या प्रॉब्लम है, कौन सी बातें कर रहे हो. But only women know that what they are going through, है ना. A lot of times people, those who may belong to so-called upper caste, do not know that there is something called as caste discrimination. बोलते हैं ऐसा वैसा थोड़ी ना कोई caste discrimination exist करता है. करता है, बिल्कुल exist करता है. Simply because you belong to a certain privileged section of the society, unfortunately you are ब्लाइंड टू दैट बैरियर. आपको दिखता नहीं है वो बैरियर, पर वो है. आपके लिए नहीं है, किसी और के लिए है ना, बिकॉज आप प्रिविलेज पोजीशन में है.